Hi Taurus, this is your reading for the month November 2020. Keep in mind that this is a general reading. This may not resonate for every one of you. If it does, please hit the like button and share your comments. And for the newcomers, please subscribe to my channel. Also, pasensya na po kayo kung may naririnig kayong mga sasakyan because I live beside the road. But I read any time of the day as long as I feel like it. Kung in the mood po ako, I love reading more. Okay? So, I'm going to read your recent past, your current situation, and the near future. And then I'm going to clarify it. And for last round, I'm going to pull 3 more cards from the angel, from the universe, and from the love card. Okay, so let's see. Spirit guides and angels. Show me the cards that I need to see for Taurus, please. Okay. Dalawa yung nabunot natin, no? So, Taurus, bottom of the deck, 7 of Cups in reverse. This is clarity. This is cold reality. Ibig sabihin, yung dinaranas mo ngayon is something that you didn't expect. Yung pinili mo, hindi siya yung gusto mong mangyari. Pero yun yung nangyari. Okay, so let's have the clarification cards before I read the spread. So, spirit guides and angels. Please show the cards that I need to see for Taurus, please. Show me the cards that I need to see for Taurus, please. Okay. Seven of Cups, 7 of Cups. Okay, so bottom of the deck is 8 of Cups. It seems like you're walking away from something. This is turning point, withdrawal. Even there is love, you're walking away. Parang kahit alam niyo yung kahit mahal mo pa o mas may natitira ka pang pagmamahal dun sa sitwasyon o tao, lalayo ka pa rin. Okay, let's see the recent past. The recent past here is, you've been presented a lot of options. Ang dami mong pagpipilian. Many things. Kaya lang, hindi lahat ng option ay maganda ang resulta. So, kailangan mong piliin mabuti, mag-isip kang mabuti, ano ba yung dapat mong piliin kasi isa dyan mali. The Knight of Pentacles in reverse, iyan po ay boredom. So naboboard ka na because siguro wala kang mapili you're feeling bored. And sometimes this means unemployment. Wala kang trabaho, kaya siguro bored ka. The moon, something is happening behind na parang nagdududa ka dito sa soulmate mo, dito sa taong mahal mo. Mahal ka rin ito, pero nagdududa ka pa rin. There is a lot of confusion. Feeling mo may nangyayaring hindi mo alam. Pero ikaw lang yun. Naiisip mo lang yun. You're not really sure. Pero this is actually true love. Kaya lang, your mind is tricking you. So, meron ka mga naiisip. At hindi ka mapakali. Minsan, hanggang sa pagtulog mo, iniisip mo to. You are stuck in your own mind. See? You're very confused. Marami kang duda, marami kang pinag-aalala, you're paranoid. Ang dami mong iniisip. But this is imprisonment in your own mind. Or this is something legal? Is there something legal in your life na napaparanoid ka na? Something happening? And there's a lot of competition here. You're competing with a lot of people. This is challenge, this is conflict. And this may be in regards to something legal or something that's bothering you. Eight of Pentacles in reverse. This is losing the drive. Losing the drive. You're already it feels like ginawa mo naman lahat pero walang nangyayari. Tapos meron kang gustong aralin, meron kang gustong matutunan na hindi mo matututunan. Pero determinado ka. Kaya lang, determinado ka, you're so quick, pero hindi mo pa rin matutunan. So, ang mangyayari dito, Seven of Swords in reverse, you will give up para lumaya ka lang. You're giving up something. You're restoring control in your mind. You're giving up something. Ayaw mo na. I think what will happen here is you're gonna give up something to free yourself up. That's why there is, where is that walking away card? Here, this is walking away. And if you walk away, you will be happy. You will have things that you want. The Tower is pride and destruction. It will be a work of the universe. The universe will work to destroy this kasi this is not serving you well. Hindi na siya nakakabuti sa'yo. And the Page of Wands is someone who is rebellious. You are rebellious, Taurus. And the universe is going to stop that. The universe is going to intervene and stop that. It will destroy that character of yours. So what's going to happen here is you can't decide. You're going to quit. My God, puro quit na lang to. Lahat na lang quit. You're going to quit Your decision will be quitting. Nahirapan ka mag-decide, so magkukwit ka na lang. But then, something here is going to happen. A person who is moody, mahilig mag-daydream. This is a young person, no? You will be rejected, or someone is going to get rejected. Someone is going to get rejected from a job. This person is very moody. This person is daydreaming, but will be rejected because this person is very immature. But I think the rejection will result to better things kasi there's an offer of material gain here, a new job or an investment. So maybe these things, ang magiging resulta naman din maganda. Kasi I feel like may aayaw, may mare-reject. Merong, alam mo yung moody, ugali niya moody. Tapos mare-reject siya. But then also, this immaturity is going to be a blessing in disguise. So mawawala na yung hinanakit mo. You're gonna get healed. Makaka-recover ka. You will be having peace with someone. You will reconcile with someone. There will be healing. Makaka-recover ka sa mga sakit na naramdaman mo, naranasan mo. You're going to be happy. That's your ending. You're going to be happy. Mawawala na yung masasakit. You're going to recover. Let's see what the angels say. Isabella, yes, the timing is right for this new venture. A happy outcome follows your positive expectations. So, just go for it. There is a venture that you're going to do. Go for it. Diretso mo lang. Kasi itong papasukin mo to, either this is career, trabaho, o negosyo. This is the time, right time. So, magiging magandang resulta nito. That's why there's happiness here. Everything that you need, more than what you need, meron. And you're going to feel good because makaka-recover ka na sa mga masasakit na naranasan mo. And the universe said, the moment I realign with love, clear direction is presented to me. Oras na naging, mahalin mo sarili mo. And just think everything. Look at everything. Look at everyone with love. And a clear direction will be presented to you. Maitatama ka. Kasi pag galit ang tao, mali decision niya eh. Mas madalas, no? So, if you are calm, if you have love inside you, you will be arriving into a right decision, the logical decision, and the fair decision. Let's see your love life situation. Worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. So, merong mangyayari na sa tagal-tagal ng paghihintay mo, maganda yung magiging result. So, overall, kahit hindi maganda yung mga nakaraan, mga nangyari dati, kahit di maganda yung nangyari dati, overall, ang end result ng card mo is having more than enough, more than what you need. Lahat ng gusto mo, yung wish mo matutupad, makaka-recover ka na sa mga heartaches mo. So that's your reading for November 2020, Taurus, and I'll see you next reading.